Hot as the devil. Need a good shave. Fellows in the troops must have as much a beating as I. Did very good last night, you know. Caught the leaders, some of them dead, others alive, but, you know, some of them dead.
How many did you take?
14. We have to go pretty far into it to get them, but they'll be paying for it now. None of them will escape. Not one. People must have had quite a scare of what happened last night.
Oh yes.
Good show, wasn't it?
Very good.
You know, I would love to catch a nap today, but there's lots to be done.
A firing party?
And something of the sort, but a bit slower.
All of them?
No, just a few.
Will it be like the other day?
It may be even better.
What are you planning to do?
I'm not sure now, but all in due time.
Do you think you're gonna punish all of them?
Yeah, all of them.
Good.
Thanks.
No problem.
You know, you told me you'd kill me if I came in here now. Came to find out that was true, but it's hard to kill. I know that.
You know I never do that.